Winds blow strong.
On January 8, 2024, due to a forecast of strong winds, we abandoned our plan to visit the Kuju Mountains and instead headed south to Mount Kurino elevation, 1102 meters in Kirishima, Kagoshima Prefecture. The temperature ranged from 1 to 7 degrees Celsius. It was cold in the morning due to strong winds, but the wind gradually weakened, the sky cleared, and it became warm, improving the visibility as well. From the trailhead of the Arc Forest, you first ascend the largest wooden staircase in Japan. The number of steps on the largest wooden staircase in Japan is 561. You climb this impressive staircase, stepping on the wooden sleepers. The temperature is -1 degree Celsius, quite cold. Strong winds have been blowing since yesterday until this morning, but they have subsided a bit now. As a reward for your efforts, climb up to the observation deck and fully enjoy the magnificent panorama. From the observation deck, you can enjoy a grand panorama of Yushu town bathed in the morning sun. It's a perfect resting spot where you can also enjoy views of Mt. Once you finish climbing the wooden staircase, the hiking trail transitions into a mountain path, gradually inclining upwards. The hiking trail has now become significantly steeper, with a challenging incline. The wind is strong, and the wind chill is dropping the perceived temperature. My hands and the tips of my toes are starting to numb. Deep in the mountains, the sound of the wind echoes all around. The strong wind blows the clouds away, revealing a vast expanse of blue sky. The leaves from the trees have fallen and accumulated on the ground, covering the hiking boots. The view isn't great, but I'm passing through the first pole marker. From midway, the maintained hiking trail transforms into a natural forest of Japanese maple and oak trees, offering splendid autumn foliage viewing opportunities. At the 400-meter mark from the summit, there's a junction leading to an observation deck. From there, it's about a 5-minute walk, roughly 30 meters, to the observation deck. It's a perfect resting spot where you can also enjoy views of Mt. Karakuni. From the fifth-free observation deck, you can enjoy views of the Kirishima mountain range, as well as sights like the steam from the Ukira geothermal power plant. the silhouette of Sakurajima and the expanses of Mt Karakuni and Mt Karakuni. Head to the next 4. Return to the junction and head for the summit again. After descending for a while, it's quite a steep uphill climb. There are ropes available and the footholds are secure, so the danger isn't too significant. The summit of the second peak of Mt Kurino is open, offering a splendid view. Arrived at 4. The second peak of Mount Kurino 4 stands at an elevation of 1094 meters and is a popular viewpoint for climbers. From this spot, you can enjoy a sweeping 360-degree panorama with magnificent views of landmarks such as Sakurajima and the Kirishima mountain range. Particularly impressive is the imposing presence of Sakurajima unfolding right before your eyes. On clear days, you can also catch a glimpse of the ridgeline of the Kuju Mountains far in the distance. Heading towards the summit of Mt Kurino. The sky is clear blue, the wind has calmed, and the temperature is rising, making it the perfect day for climbing. I've arrived at 5, the summit of Mt Kurino. Unfortunately, there is no view here at all. I'll backtrack a bit and take a break at the Mt Karakuni observation point. located between 4 and 5. The highest peak of Mount Kurino is the summit peak, standing at an elevation of 1102 meters. It is a volcano that is part of the Kirishima mountain range in Kagoshima Prefecture. This volcano began its activity approximately 300,000 years ago, and its complex terrain has been shaped by its eruptive history. The summit area is believed to be formed by the fusion of multiple volcanic bodies created by past volcanic activity. As a result, it features a distinctive landscape with multiple peaks, including the 1102-meter main peak and the lower second peak 4. From here, I'll aim for the final marker, 9. Six is located just ahead after turning right from here. To reach the Imoriyama observation point at 7, you'll turn right at this sign and continue. The view isn't great for an observation point. You can see just a bit of Mt. Imoriyama directly in front of the screen. Returning to the signpost for the Imoriyama observation point, you'll find the Sakurajima and Kinko Bay observation point nearby. From here, it's difficult to get a clear view of Sakurajima and Kinko Bay from the observation point. I've arrived at Pate. Once again, there is no view here at all. I'll climb a gentle ridge, devoid of any scenic views, by parting through the vegetation. I'll climb a gentle ridge, devoid of any scenic views, by parting through the vegetation. I'm contemplating whether to descend towards the hot springs area or to backtrack towards Mount Kurino for the return journey. I decide to backtrack and descend from Mount Kurino to minimize walking on asphalt roads as much as possible. I pass by the signpost for the Imoriyama observation point. As the sun rises high, sunlight filters through the trees, illuminating the mountain trail. The temperature gradually rises, and under the clear sky, sweat trickles down my forehead. After climbing the final steep slope, I finally reach the summit and return. Just a little further ahead is the junction for the Mt Karakuni observation point, which leads to the descent route. I walk along a gentle ridge where a gradual descent continues. It's a pleasant return journey, enjoying the refreshing forest bath. There are plenty of red markers, so there's no chance of getting lost. I descend through the cedar forest, stepping on the rustling fallen leaves. As the slope eases and I pass fallen trees, the view opens up, merging into a forest road. I've arrived at the entrance to the Mt Kurino hiking trail. From here, it's a gentle ascent along the road to the trailhead at the wooden staircase, about 1.8 kilometers away. It's a tough climb, especially in the heat, but you'll make it through the 25-minute walk. I'll take a shortcut along the grassy slope from the middle section of the wooden staircase. You've safely reached the trailhead of the art forest. Well done, and thank you for your hard work.